In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove your phone number from private call. Okay, maybe you mistakenly put your phone number into a private call, you don't know, and whenever you call someone, the number will be showing private call, or hidden number. So in this video, I'm going to show you where and how you can remove that settings from your phone. To do that, you have to go over to your phone, okay, to your phone, etc., where you normally make phone call, okay. So what you do, you have to click on that place, and once you click on that place, you see the settings I'm about to point out on you. These three dots will be the settings on your Android phone, on your call setting. Click on that place. So when you come over this side, okay, what you need to do is for you to follow this tutorial. Just come over to this place that say phone card settings, okay. All these settings are on your phone, okay. So here we have what they call features, okay. So click on this place, guys. Pay attention on what I'm about to teach you. So over here you have choose any SIM card, okay. Then you come over to this place that say additional settings, okay. Click on this one. So it's going to load actually, and here you are going to come over to this place that say, okay, let me circle it, call ID, okay. On this place, that say call ID, okay. On this call ID, guys, pay attention closely. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I make all kinds of videos so you don't miss any of my tutorial videos. So subscribe to my YouTube channel and then turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss of my video. So here we have, let me actually indicate it for you guys, okay, so that you see. We have call network, which is on the default, and we have hidden calls, and we have show number, okay. Now there are many settings that you can do here. If you want to be calling somebody and your number will be showing on the screen plus your name, you can put enable these settings, okay. You can enable these settings. If you don't want, you can put your phone on hidden. So if your phone is showing hide number, that is a private call whenever you are calling someone. So if it is like this on this place, let me show you guys. If your number is on these settings, means that whenever you call someone, it's going to show private call, okay. Now if it is like this, please remove it from these settings. Now let me show you. If it's your phone number is like this, let me click there. If your phone number is showing hide number, remove it from hide number and put it on network default, okay. On the network default, it's going to show that whenever you call someone, it's not going to hide your number. It's going to show your identity, which is your name and the phone number that is calling, okay. So this is how you remove your phone number from hidden to a default network. So I'm going to put my own on the default network, okay, which is this very one, guys. I'm going to put it on this very one right now. So I'll click on this one. So whenever I make call, my name is going to appear on that person's phone number, okay. So this is a very quick tutorial. I believe you have learned how to remove your call. You have learned how to remove your private call to a network default that shows that, okay, oh, this is the person that is actually calling. So thank you for watching this video. If you love this tutorial, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my update, okay. Really appreciate you for your time. And if you're a returner subscriber, please, I really appreciate you for standing by to watch my videos. Thank you so much. So